everyone, welcome to Profit Data. So today exactly I'm going to talk about this OHL strategy. Okay, so we will trade this OHL strategy utilizing our trade.profitdataweb.com. Okay, so you can visit, if you watch my videos, you know exactly I'm giving these strategies in my websites for free of cost. Okay, all you have to do is like have an account under my referral. Okay, so you can visit www.profitdataweb.com. Okay, you can visit this open online upstocks trading account. Since this platform whichever I am providing is related to the upstocks, so you can have an account under my referral, and now the upstocks is offering API as well as this trade button. So utilizing this you can can do semi algo trading. Okay, so all you have to do is you have to enter this email address, mobile number, and go for the OTP, and with the help of Aadhaar and PAN card you can open this account in instant. Okay, so we know that I'm talking about this Upstocks one click algo trade. So I have been explained each and everything. So previously I have been talked about this top gainers and losers, how you can utilize our platform to trade, and even I have been given this for Excel to trade all those things. Okay, so all you have to do is have an account under my referral. With that one, the email address you have to enter, and the password, and the random password which is provided by us you have to enter and log in. Okay, after login you will get this page. So exactly there already have been given this gainers and losers. So I have been incorporated each and everything in a single page. So after login you will get this this Upstocks trading platform. So this will be a semi-automated process, and you will get pre-filled things. So if you go for the trading, all you have to do is, if you already logged in your Upstocks account, okay, so immediately each and everything will get opened. Okay, and all you have to do is like pre-filled each and everything, and as per your this one these buttons will be there, so you can utilize this platform. So whatever you want, if you just want to edit, modify, delete or something, whichever you want you can do. Okay, especially in this sections you can modify. So you can just modify and you can change the quantity as per your wish, and you can do changes according to that one. So I've been already done the video, so please do watch. Okay, to watch those videos you can just visit youtube.com/profitdata/videos. Okay, so I've been done already videos on Excel, and in this Upstocks one click algo trading you can see top gainers and losers. So you just visit, all your doubts will be clear. So today we will talk about our bullish and bearish stocks. So all you have to do is like you have to visit these websites around morning hours. So that after some of the strategies are there which I already talked about, how you can automate. Say suppose if you got the API, it will be very much comfortable to trade, as each and everything will be automated. But in this case it is also one of things matter. Usually what you have to do is like you have to, if you want to trade manual, okay, so suppose if you don't have any as such this platform, you have to visit like some of websites, you have to choose around, and then you have to look around whether open equals high or open equals low. Then you have to trade, and you have to look for how much percentage profit I should put and stop loss. Okay, so these are the things which you look out, and what happens in between our stocks will move at some target points. It will definitely gonna achieve. So instead of that one, what we gonna do is like if you visit this platform, okay, so what happens, you can easily can trade. All you have to do is like after login, just say trade with Upstocks, and each and everything will be in a pre-filled. Okay, and so suppose if you have to do changes, you can do. Okay, so this will be in a OCO order, one cancel is other. Okay, so it is like in a bracket order. So what happens, a target and stop loss will be available, and it will be a limit order. Okay, so and target and stop loss will be, our target will be 0.3% according to the LTP, and stop loss will be 0.5%. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is like you can definitely can trade these things. You just have to click place order, and it will immediately place the order, so you can check around. Now what we gonna do is like, say suppose already given the Excel. So this is the format which you can follow from the Excel. If you visit my websites, this is already I've been explained how you can keep the formats. So in this also you can check what are the formats are there, and you can prepare an Excel according and can paste. Okay, and so suppose if you want to go with the immediate, that is also welcome. Okay, so many things which I'm gonna upload as I get time. Okay, so these things will be available. So what I'm gonna do is, like, first of all, I'm giving you a freedom, whichever Excel you want to, like, go for the orders, whether whichever you want. Okay, so you can visit my channel and can watch those videos on Upstox Excel. And now in this format, what you can do is, like, we have already bullish and bearish stocks as top gainers and top losers. Okay, now what I'm going to do is, like, filter. So how I'm going to filter? So for bullish stocks, open equals low should be there. So suppose if gap down is there or gap up is there. Okay, so if any stocks is doing a gap down, okay, it should be open equals high. Then we will say as in, like, bearish stocks. And if it is open equals low, then we definitely see as in a bullish stocks. And especially we are trading this in a UOD data. Okay, so whenever we see this bullish and bearish stocks, from that we will filter further and take it in this, and we will check one more step whether it is equivalent or not. So we are already taking precautions while fetching the stop losers and gainers. If you trade for a day, because this will be a market order and our bullish and bearish stocks will be a bracket order. Okay, so one of the prettiest stuff which you can do, and each and everything will be in a pre-filled format. So suppose if you want to go, say suppose I took this SDFC Bank, so it will be definitely in a bearish tops. Okay, you can check. So here SDFC Bank. Okay, so now what happens here, open equals high is there. Okay, so that's the reason we are in a bearish stocks and we are ready for the trade. So one more filter if you add, you can surely achieve the targets for sure. 0.3 and 0.5% for surely achieve. And if you want to change the target as per your wish, you can just edit things and can change. Okay, so if you want to sell and further you want to keep these targets, you are very much welcome. Okay, so you can keep the target and stop loss as per your wish and can try. Otherwise you can keep default and can check around. Okay, and this is integrated with our Upstox. So you can open your this Upstox website and can log in your credentials and can change around whichever you want. So this will be a pretty much easy stuffs. And if you trade on market hours, especially I'm doing this stuff because morning hours, 1 hour, at least 1 hour is very much crucial. So whichever you want to achieve targets or anything, if you trade for 1 hour at least on morning hours, for if you are a day trader, especially this will be a very best things, because after 1 hour you no need to wait for entirely for a day itself. Just trade and come out from the market. Okay, so for that sake I'm providing this stuff. Okay, so one of the best which you can try on. Okay, so see to this stuff. Okay, so just visit and you can check around Upstox, one click algo trade, each and everything I've been mentioned. Okay, so you can just give this UCC ID 168010, and with the help of your PAN and Aadhaar card you can open the account instant. Okay, so for just go for it. And if you are a newcomer, okay, you can get the Upstox API as well for your fully automated purpose. Okay, that is also can be done. And for this stuffs, whatever I am doing is available in my websites. So trade button is already explained, which you can go and check around. Okay, so videos will be available in these sections. So each and everything link in the description, so you can follow. Just go for it and try by yourself. Okay, so just trade. So you know what I'm gonna do, what I'm doing. You already people know, like HOC stocks will be there. So especially as I said, like this is based on the EOD data. Okay, especially not on candle data, on EOD data. So we will get some stock list which is already bullish and bearish, so you already know. So one more filter, like only few stocks will be there. So if you don't want to go with 18 stocks or 29 stocks or something from top gainers and losers, you can come to this and can change around something here and there and do try. It will be very much helpful. So what I'm gonna do, what I'm gonna provide this in semi-automated process, it will be helpful. At somewhat stage you can achieve the profit, and especially as I say, this will be in EOD data. As I've been experienced pure manual, what I'm gonna do is, like, if I see, like, what I'm gonna trade especially on those stocks which is gap down and gap up, because I already predicted this stocks is be gonna in a buy and sell. So you can check, come here and check around which stocks will be better for me, and can check and can prepare an Excel for yourself. Otherwise just click on this and trade. So EOD data will be there, which you see in the terminal. so it will be the same. So as per my main experience from manual trading, what I've been gained is like, if I look through this, especially like some stocks will definitely gonna reversal if they are not in the format of a buy or sell trend. But what happens at some crucial points, say suppose often half an hour or 1 hour, the stocks remains the same until it breaks. Okay, so we can trade until, okay, and achieve the targets whichever you want. So do come and try around. Okay, and I'm gonna put more and more things in my this trade.profit.web.com, and our brokerage are very much simple. Whatever company they provide, it will be default. Okay, so we won't charge any extra things and all. Okay, so follow rules and regulations of a broker company and utilize this stuff and make profit. Okay, so yeah, I'll wind up this video. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe. If you have any doubt regarding this video, please do comment below. And this is an semi-automated process. Okay, and if you have any other requirement or queries, please do contact direct via WhatsApp. Okay, we'll definitely help. Thank you.